is one of the most distressing thing for most of the babies for longer period of time. And as a parent, it can be very difficult to watch your baby suffer through that uncomfortable teething stage. Hello mommies and daddies, welcome back to my channel Mom and Baby. If you are new here, you are most welcome. My name is Sarita and I am a mother of 23 months old baby girl. I normally prepare videos on child care, mother care and family care in general. So please give your love by hitting the like button and also subscribing our channel. Also, please hit the bell icon for the regular updates. Let's become a big family soon. In this video, I am going to share with you some of my personal experiences and tips and tricks that I have learned from my family and friends and the research on how to help your teething baby. Please note that all babies are different. So the one that worked for me may not work for your child. But if it works, then please don't forget to share with others, because I believe sharing is caring. So without further ado, let's get started. One of the signs that your baby is teething is that your baby starts to chew his or her little fingers, toys or any other objects that he or she can get hold of. There are so many toys and gels that you can find in the market very easily that help to relieve teething. One of my favorite is to give chilled fruit or fruit to help teething to my baby. If your baby has started solid foods, then you can help your baby to soothe those sore gums with a tasty and healthy snack of chilled fruits like apple, pear and so on. To help prevent choking, you can cut the fruits like apple and place one slice of apple in a mesh feeder and give that to your baby to lick or suck on. This will help to soothe your baby gum and at the same time your baby is having some fruits as well. So it will be kind of win-win situation. My baby didn't like the cooked fruit, so I gave her like this and she really enjoyed it as well. But if your child likes cooked fruit, then you can also try with other types of cooked fruit such as apple, strawberries, mangoes, ripe pears and so on. Give your baby lots of cuddles. One of the easiest, quickest and the most powerful soothing is cuddling your baby. Whenever your baby is distressed or feeling discomfort, just be there for him or her and give lots of hugs and kisses to your baby and say that Mama is here, Mama loves you babu, Baba loves you babu, everybody loves you. Like you can even say Baba loves you, grandparents loves you or whoever is in your family member. You can take their name and say that everybody loves you. This way you are emotionally soothing your baby and distracting from the pain. You can also distract your baby with other activities such as playing, singing, reading and so on. If you are also not well, then you want to be loved and surrounded with your loved ones. And the same thing applies to babies as well. They want more love, cuddle from you than ever before when they are not feeling well. So please be there for them all the time. Massage your baby's gums. Massaging your baby gums will provide some baby teething relief. For this, you can use a clean fingertips or very soft finger toothbrush to gently massage your little one's gums for 1 to 2 minutes in a small circular motion. And the great about this is you don't need anything, you just need a clean fingertips. teething rings give your baby something to chew safely, which will help to ease their discomfort and distract them from any pain. You can even keep your baby's favorite solid, not the liquid or gel feed teething toy in the fridge and allow it to cool before handing to your baby. Please make sure that the toy is properly clean and your baby can hold it easily. If you are worried about how long to chill, then please read the instruction of the toy carefully. Please never put a teething ring in a freezer because it could damage your baby's gums if it gets frozen. Also, never tie a teething ring around your baby's neck as it may be a choking hazard. If your baby is in so much of pain, then you can give a sugar-free painkiller such as paracetamol and ibuprofen to your baby. Please note that paracetamol or ibuprofen can only be given to the babies older than 3 months of age. Whenever you are giving any medicine to your babies, please follow the instructions that come with the medicine carefully. If you are not sure, then you can speak with your GP or pharmacist before giving to your baby. And also, please always keep the medicine out of the reach of the children. I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until we meet in our next video, take care and bye-bye.